Army Recognition Group is at ShieldAfrica 2021 in Abidjan, Ivory Coast. Enjoy the live demonstration with the FRAP, a unity of the Ivorian National Police.
My name is Philip Menniken. I'm the Business Development Director of Theon Sensors. Theon Sensors is a world leader in night vision and thermal equipment, mainly for man-portable equipment, but we do have as well platform-based systems. Today here we have a night vision binocular, the NIX, which is the best seller. It's in use with many end users around the world, the US Marine Corps, the German Army, German Special Forces, the Swiss Army, the Austrian Army, and I could go on for a long time mentioning all the end users that we're working with. We do have as well here the monocular, which again is in use with many end users around the world, for example in Sweden, in the Netherlands, or in Denmark. Finally, we do have here a thermal weapon sight, a Thermes, which again is in use with the Canadian Armed Forces and with another European end users that the contract will be announced hopefully very, very soon. Here, we're the first time here in the Ivory Coast. We have sold to the armed forces of the Ivory Coast in the past, and we want to build upon this first step. We are on a discovery mission here to understand the requirements of the local forces, but as well the forces of the region, of course. We believe that, first of all, these are our best-selling equipment when it comes to man-portable equipment. And secondly, this is the basic equipment that any soldier would need in order to operate during the night. The first thing that a soldier needs to do is to actually see in the night under dark environments. So to do this, one needs to have either a binocular or a monocular. And then in the second priority, we have, of course, the able to be targeting in the night, where we have the thermal weapon sight to do this.
My name is Lucas. I'm the CEO of CERBAIR, which is the French leading counter-drone solution provider. So what we do at CERBAIR is that we apply state-of-the-art technologies that derive from electronic warfare to the counter-drone fight. Because with the technologies that we design, we're going to protect all the sensitive sites that need protection against the possible terrorist attack that drones can actually trigger by carrying explosives, for instance. So here we believe that in the whole African continent, there are a number of drone problems that is going to be an increasing threat. And so we decided to come with the whole arsenal of various anti-drone solutions to provide them with a complete solution. So you have a number of solutions. Here you have Hydra. Hydra is a complete detection solution that allows us to detect the presence of drones as well as their pilots, and we can actually give you the location of them. Then you have Medusa. Medusa is a complete cyber and electronic countermeasure that is going to force the landing of the drone by just pressing a button on the computer. And then you have Camera. Camera is a state-of-the-art portable solution that is designed for special forces and special intervention unit, like FRAP, for instance, that actually miniaturizes all our know-how in terms of detection in the back and neutralization in the front. So basically it's pretty simple. Whenever a drone is going to be switched on, the operator of this system is going to be notified by the system that detects. So he's going to receive an audio alert and he's going to receive a visual one. As soon as he knows that there is a drone, he's going to pick the specific target that he wants to focus on. And when he's focused on the target, he's going to use this directional antenna to determine the source of the signal, so that by just the pressure of a button, he can trigger a jamming action and force the landing of the drone. So we actually have like very high expectation on the African continent. We actually decided to come to this show because we recently created a joint venture in Morocco, because we want to focus on this African market. We believe that Africa is going to be the #1 place for the expansion of drones for a number of reasons. And so the more drones are in circulation on one specific place, the more people are going to need companies like ours to actually protect the sensitive facilities and people.
So here is the booth of Drone National Police. Here presently we have 3 different types of drone. The first one is the matrice. So there is the RTK system integrated. Then we have the Phantom. And then we have a catching drone. This is an intercepted drone. The specificity of this drone is it able to fly during nights, and it has 2 cameras. Camera for flight mode and ordinary camera. And also it's able to fly under the rain. And also have 40 to 50 minutes of autonomy. And this drone can fly away from around 7 kilometers. And here in Ivory Coast, the regulation here is an individual can fly maximum to 90 meters. This is everybody's favorite drone. It's very easy to use, whether you have to go on a mission or just to take friendly pictures. This drone is used to target enemy drone, and it's supposed to intercept enemy drones. So this drone has a net that catch the other drones inside its nets, and then we drop the net and we can catch the drone. It can fly for about 15 minutes. So again, its particularity is able to catch enemy drone. The Phantom is just a friendly drone, and the other drone, it's a drone with night vision, and is also communicating with satellites. We also have another drone, but this drone cannot fly during rain time, so we use the other drone only for day mission.
My name is Benjamin Horgan. I'm the marketing director for Africa in Aeronautics. Aeronautics is a daughter company of the Rafael Group in Israel, and we are dealing for the last 30 years with unmanned systems of various kinds, mainly fixed-wing UAVs, but also homeland security and other solutions. So this is our track record. We are very present worldwide, but also here in Africa. We have a full range of UAVs from the smallest one, which is this one, the Orbiter 2, up to Dominator, which is a 2-ton platform, and obviously we had to pick one of them. We selected the Orbiter 2 for 2 reasons. First of all, a technical one. It's a smaller one, so it fits in the booth, and it's adapted to the size of this show. But also, this is the one which is the best suited for small forces, land forces, special forces, and is well suited for the needs of many countries here in Africa. But the other systems, Orbiter 3, Orbiter 4, are just, let's say, upscale of this same system, so it's a good base for our explanations. Well, we have already quite a few contacts and even a few contracts in Africa, and we of course are looking to be better known and to have new contacts and to further the existing ones in order to be able to provide to our customers the best solutions adapted to their needs in the aspects of unmanned systems and drones, which are, we believe, the future trend for most armies, being the forces, police forces or land forces, naval or any kind of law enforcement agencies in Africa and worldwide.